when you can practice diaphragmatic breathing. Okay, this is a very important topic for everyone because diaphragmatic breathing is the most important breathing that can change your life. First of all, shortly I will describe you what is that diaphragmatic breathing and how can we establish that diaphragmatic breathing, and when you can do that diaphragmatic breathing you understand easily. Is it okay? Yes. So diaphragmatic breathing, as I want to tell you that this is the lungs and this is the diaphragm muscles. This is the diaphragm muscles. Under the diaphragm muscles there are kidneys, pancreas, spleen, intestine, and it's the internal organs. Okay. So what happened? This diaphragm muscles, it divides the upper chest cavity and lower abdominal cavity. There are two caves in our body. How many caves? There are two caves in our body, and that caves only and only for breathing. Understand? Breathing needs space, although the whole body is full of space. Yes or not? The whole body, how much percent of your body has space? 99.9999% of your body is space. This is a different subject to tell you. Understand? But you must understand, you look something exists like 5 to 6 feet long, height 10 kilo, 20 kilo, 100 kilo, maybe some of you are 200 kilo, I don't know. But even whatever fat or whatever thin you are nothing but only the space. What is the proof that you are space? You are space because the flow of energy, blood happening because of space. If there is no space, can the blood moves? Can the energy moves? Can anything moves without space? If there is no space in your home, you just put so many things inside in your home. If there is no space in your home, can you sleep there? You cannot sleep there. You need a space to sleep. You understand my point? In this way, this space and this space, because when your lungs expands and contracts when you breathe, and lungs always expand and contract from all the way around, like from the sides it expands, from the chest and from the lower. But the best thing is when your lower lungs will expand more. When your lower lungs actives more, then the blood circulation will be proper. So when your lungs goes down, when you inhale, then it pushes the diaphragm muscles down and then your belly comes out, and that's why you see that your belly is moving when you are breathing. Yes or not? But actually the breath is not coming to your belly. Belly is moving, but breath is not coming to your belly. Understand? This is the pressure of the lungs into the diaphragm muscles that push your kidney, pancreas, spleen, intestine, and then every breath they get a massage. Those people who do not activate their diaphragm muscles, then their kidney, their spleen, their intestine, they do not get a good massage. And no any other yogic exercises that much beneficial activates these diaphragm muscles except the diaphragmatic breathing. Understand? Diaphragmatic breathing is diaphragm muscles is the biggest muscles of our body. You know this? Some people say hamstring muscle, this muscle, that muscle, but no, diaphragm muscles is the biggest muscles of our body, is more delicate, more powerful, more special muscles because it governs the breathing. Understand? So you can imagine how beautiful, powerful muscle it would be that govern the breathing. Without diaphragm muscles, you cannot breathe. The lungs cannot inhale and exhale without diaphragm muscles. So, when you need to breathe? All the time. When you need to balance yourself? All the time. When your cells need the oxygen? All the time. Also in the night? Yes. So, this breath needs to flow rightly, and that is called when your breath come to the diaphragm muscles, activate the diaphragm muscles, this is called diaphragmatic breathing. And how can we activate this diaphragmatic breathing? We can activate that diaphragmatic breathing either you feel the movement of the belly. Whenever you are aware, then only you can breathe in the belly. But maybe you do not have that much power to breathe in the belly that nicely. You understand my point? You need to have power to breathe. How can you have power? Your diaphragm muscles is very weak. You see, most of the people in this world, they are breathing in the chest. Most of the people in this world, they are breathing in the chest. So this needs to activate. So diaphragm muscles need to be activated, and there is a specific practice, specific asanas is there to do. That is called Makarasana. What is that? Makarasana, and this is called crocodile position. This crocodile position is a very important position. When you lie down on the belly and putting your left hand on the right elbow and right hand on the left elbow, placing the forehead on the right forearm. Some people they do like this, some people they like this. It is not correct. This is not correct. When you put your forehead here, then what happens? Your neck will not get pain. Otherwise, you may pain in the neck may happen. Those who do not feel comfortable with this, they can put like this. Or if you are a little bit fatty, then you can do, you put your hand like this and rest your like this. Understand? And those people have any kind of problem in the shoulders, and also mostly for the women, if there is any problem in the breast or if the breast is a little painful, then what you can do, put the blanket round the blanket and put under your armpit and like this, like something booster, like you can do like this. It is also very, very good. Okay. So in this way, and you can spread your leg outside. When you spread your leg outside, your navel center is pressed against the floor. Understand? And when, if you have any kind of lower back pain, then you can put your legs inside, your feet inside, not outside. It is inside. Then when you're inside, your lower back get little relaxed. Understand? And being in that position, relax your whole body and breathe deeply in the belly. Automatically, your chest breathing stops. Your chest breathing stops and your diaphragmatic breathing starts. Your diaphragm muscles becomes activate very nicely. Understand? And that after 10 to 20 minutes, if you practice this, it goes the whole day. Even you are not aware of your breathing, this diaphragmatic breathing will continue. Understand? And that diaphragmatic breathing allows you to always calm your mind. Nowadays, what happening? If you are breathing on the chest, you are hitting your heart center all the time. Hitting the heart center all the time, this will really harmful for your emotion. That's why emotional disbalance is possible. That's why not to having an emotional stress, you need to make your energy go down to the navel center. When your navel center move, your stress will be released because the fire is here and it has a capacity to take big energy, and but your heart is delicate, sweet and so beautiful. Don't give too much stress to your heart by breathing in the chest. Just care your heart. Your heart is not for breathing. Your heart is for feelings. Okay? Your heart is only for love, not to take stress. It is only to give love. Only to give love. Okay? So my dear friends, it's a very important point. Understand? So this Makarasana, when can you do it? You can do it in the morning, afternoon and evening. Before lunch, dinner and breakfast, if you practice for 10 to 20 minutes, your whole system of breathing will change. As I told you yesterday, even there is some Vedic scripture says that pranayama is the proper breathing. Some book says that pranayama is proper breathing. If you breathe properly, automatically you feel that you are energized. Understand? That's why you have to breathe properly. And when you have to breathe properly all the time, even in the night, when you are sleeping, also you have to breathe properly. Otherwise, you see how people they breathe in the night. Those who are snoring, you cannot stay in the night with them. Yes, they make your life terrible in the night. Because if it will be rhythm, is okay. The breath do not go with rhythm. They breathe. Like when you are watching them, you get really stressful. If they're watching them, you feel that maybe they die, breath stops when you don't know. That's why, my dear friends, that always diaphragmatic breathing help you to manage your breath. And all the time you have to breathe. But you have to practice 3 times in the day. In the beginning, later on, if you are habituated 2 times, and time will come, even without practicing diaphragmatic breathing, your mind and your breathing is so interlinked that your breathing automatically flow diaphragmatically. But for us, few years I have done for 15 years practice regularly. So you need to continue this because this is very important practice for you. And 10 to 20 minutes in the very peaceful place, continue. Before the practice, if you do this for 10 to 20 minutes, imagine your meditation goes so high. Meditation needs a proper breathing. Meditation needs a proper breathing and proper sitting, proper relaxation. When you breathe diaphragmatically before meditation, what happens? You will not get emotional stress and you have control on your thoughts. If you practice before relaxation yoga nidra practice, it gives you a wonderful feeling and help you to go to the superconscious state. If you practice before the asana class, then your asana becomes meditation. Because every movement of the body is happening because of breathing. Without breathing, you cannot move your body. Understand? That's why before asana also you can meditate for 10 to 20 minutes. These are the different way you can practice diaphragmatic breathing. Okay?